Now I'm ready to attach this cutout spout to my pot. And I'm looking at my pot and seeing how it fits on there. And I like the way that looks, but I'm also wondering how it works with my feet. So what I've decided to do is center it over between two of the feet. Now I have where I want it on the pot, and I have to mark it with a fettling knife. And then I'm going to take that off. And I'm going to cut this away, but I'm not going to cut it away right where the line is because that will be a little bit too big. So I'm going to cut it with leaving about 1/4 of an inch in there. Break that off. And I want to bevel this edge a little bit here. I want to cut into that because that will flow better once the spout is on there. It will flow better in two ways. It will look better with the flow, and it will literally flow better out of the pot. So that's important to bevel that edge. I'm going to put that back on, see that it's fitting the way I want it to fit. And yeah, it's doing fine. Now I'm going to take some slip, and I'm going to put that slip on this edge. And there's a lot of slip on there, and that's good. I need that. I'm going to make this mark a little bit, but I'm going to try not to touch this outer edge here. I'm only doing the inner edge. And do not forget to do the very top part that sits on the rim. Do that there also. Put that on there. I'm going to use my belly like I did with mugs for joining handles. Push this down with a finger. Push and push. And then I'll clean that up a little bit.